What's up everybody? Hope you are fine. Welcome to my YouTube channel. In my today's video, I'll be talking about the double tap to screen off or awake features in your device Infinix Hot 20. So if you want to learn about these features of your device Infinix Hot 20, you have to follow a few steps which I'll be sharing with you in my today's video. But before that, hit the red subscribe button and the bell icon to stay updated. Now watch this video and you will learn all about the double tap to screen off or awake features of your device.